Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Betha. If today is your first time on my channel, what's up? Like, kilo shele, kedu, like what's happening? Okay, you're welcome to my channel. And if today isn't your first time, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. From the title of this video, you guys can already tell why I'm here. This video is a highly requested video, especially since I got back from, the holiday and everything. A lot of people have been sending me messages on Instagram, about how, I'm able to just sit in front of the camera and talk like I'm talking to my friends and everything. Look, I know I'm not big on YouTube right now, but please do not come for me and be like, who does she even think she is on YouTube? Like, she's giving us advice. Some people asked, okay, and that's why I'm making this video. So if you're not one of those people who are looking to find out tips and tricks on how to stay comfortable in front of the camera, then maybe this video is not for you. But if you're interested, then definitely keep watching. I want you to know is the fact that nobody was born perfect, all right? Not even the YouTubers that you look up to. Like, there's some people who you look up to and you're like, oh my god, I want to be like this person. You have to understand that they didn't start that way. It took them a lot of practice and consistency to get to where they are. So if you want to be like them, it means that you have to start somewhere. Now, a lot of people sent me messages and were asking me how I'm so comfortable, talking to the camera and everything. And I'm just like, look, I'm not even perfect. Like, to me, I feel like I'm not even doing a good job, but it's really amazing to find that people even think that you're doing good, when you think that you're not even doing anything good. So I decided to share with you guys some of my tips and tricks, to being comfortable in front of the camera. Everything I'm going to be sharing in this video are things that I have put into constant practice. So it's not like I'm just speaking fiction and stuff. And I feel that if you put them into good use, they would also be useful to you. The first tip I have for you guys is to be yourself. Like, guys, this is so key. Just be yourself. Now, I've noticed that in most of my videos, if you guys have been following me for a long time, you will know that I say so a lot. I say I say I do all of those things a lot, and over time I've constantly tried to reduce the amount of times that I say those words in my videos. The truth is, changing all of these things and just taking them out of your vocabulary takes a lot of time, and in this transition phase you need to just be yourself. Another thing that helps me stay very comfortable in front of the camera is the fact that I always imagine having a chat with my friends or my sister, or just anyone that I love. You need to stop being skeptical about who is watching your videos from the other end and just focus on the fact that you're having a conversation with a friend. That way you're like more relaxed, you're not tensed, you're not worried, you're not anxious, you're just being yourself and just letting whatever it is that you want to share flow. Look, the truth is, being comfortable in front of the camera just means you being comfortable in your own skin in front of the lens. That's simple, okay? Another thing that helps me stay comfortable in front of the camera is coming prepared. Guys, I have struggled with this. I'm still struggling with it, but I think I need to share. You need to come prepared. You need to write your script. I have someone who always tells me, Betha, you need to write your script before you turn on your camera. He says it to me every time. It's almost like a ringtone every time I'm talking to him about my videos and everything. So this is key. You need to write your script. And even if you're not going to write your scripts, just be sure of what it is you want to share. Sometimes I find that script writing is not the easiest of things to do. You need to take time out to write your ideas down and sort of put them in a bullet point format. So it's easier for you to just articulate your words and just go with the flow. Now, these are the three major things that have helped me stay comfortable in front of the camera over time. I know I'm not perfect, but I'm definitely not where I used to be. Now it feels like I'm talking to my friends because you guys are my friends. Like, I love you guys so much. So this is me talking to you guys the way I would readily talk to you guys when I meet you at ICM or just anywhere cool. Okay, if this video was helpful to you, let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know if you plan on starting your own YouTube channel. What are the challenges you're facing? What are the tips and tricks you have for those of you who already have a YouTube channel, and are already growing? Just write all of your thoughts and contributions in the comment section, because I'm definitely sure that this will be useful to a lot of people. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for helping me get to where I am today. Thank you so much for all of your messages, guys. It means more than you guys can imagine to me. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel by this time, please hit on the subscribe button. Click on the bell notification icon so that you can get notified every time I put up a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.